Mary, we're going to see if we can do a little video here of Fort Wing with the old map and new map. First of all, let's start here. There's the waterfront today, top of the picture, and we come down and there's the town. Now, this is the town in 1899 on the same map, and we're going to come in on that. Alright, you'll recognize some of these places, I'm sure. This is Washington Street and Grand Street. Today this is 3rd Street. This 2nd Street is called School Street, I think, today. Okay, now we're going to show you some old buildings. Here's kind of your downtown area. We take the old map and take it off. You see a building there. There's a building right here. That's still there, that was there in 1899. We can take that off and see it again. And you can, in fact, that building that you see, you come down on it here. We can probably get a street view of it on Google Earth. Come down here and take a look at that building. That's an 1899 building from your community. Okay, there's another one, a couple of other ones here that are fairly obvious, if I can find them again for you. Okay, this one, back up a little bit here. I'll recognize where I am. And I've got to click over here. Okay, there it is. Okay, over here, this is on School Street. There's a building. Notice the black on top of this building right here. See how it pops up when I use the overlay? Okay. Well, we can come in on that building and see what it looks like today, and I think you'll agree it looks like it might have been there in 1899. Okay, here's the building. That's what it looks like today. Perhaps there in not only perhaps, it was there in 1899. Okay, we're going to back up here, and I have to back out again this time so I can find things. Okay, here's, I'm going to straighten this up so we have north at the top. Okay, I kind of thought this was where the mill is, or was, sawmill was, and that's correct. That happened to be where it was. We're going to come in there and look at this. I'm going to turn on the overlay again. And we're going to look at the works. There it is. There's our sawmill, and there's its site. Just north of Quarry Road, right off the road going north now. The old bridge was right down here too, and there's some wood in there on each end of that old bridge that you might actually be able to relate to the bridge. You go out here a little bit, and I'm going to put this up a little further. There was the old tramway came along here from the sawmill, took it out to the water. Here is the inter-range light, I think that's what they called it, or the interline light. And you can see the old tramway. You can see the light. The inter-range light, here's the inter-range light, here's the old tramway, and when you take that off of there, look what you see. Look at the remnants of the tramway. No question about that. We'll come in a little closer, but it's very clear that's had to be part of the tramway. This was part of the tramway, and I wonder, the old light, this might have been the old light here. The old light on the map is about here, but that's about 50 feet apart, and that's about as good as you ever get an old map. So anyway, I thought you might enjoy that. There's some other places that you can make comparisons, but if this is interesting, we can probably do some more for you.